What's up everyone, this is Moturals here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the login error on Discord mobile, or basically the Discord sign-in error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're having the Discord sign-in problem, the easiest way to basically fix this is to click into the Discord app like this, go into app info, in here, click into storage and cache, and clear the cache. The next thing to do is clear storage as well to make sure like basically everything is cleared, which might be causing this issue for you to not be able to log in or sign into Discord. The next thing to do is go to mobile data usage, and in here click into the unrestricted mobile data usage. Having this on usually fixes a lot of these network type issues as well. Then you want to do force stop and press OK. This is like a hard reset on the app itself that usually fixes a lot of these issues that end up happening whether on the software front or the network front. And final is like kind of pressing archive, which uninstalls the app and you press it again and reinstalls it without deleting the app itself from your mobile device. The next thing to do after that is under network and internet, click into the private DNS section, and in here select private DNS provider hostname and change it to dns.google. So having this basically is the DNS server. Once you do this, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please don't forget, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Moturals out. Peace.